Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to learn bot framework using Python language. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about cards in bot framework. So what is card, how to use it, everything we are going to learn in few minutes. So first we understand what is card. Microsoft Cards. Card is a small UI container to sh to show the some of the small piece of data to the GUI. So far we've seen in that bot emulator, we are just chatting to that our bot. It's like normal console application chat, something like that. There is no graphical interface, something, or we are not uploading any videos, or bot framework not displaying any animation, something like that through the emulator, not yet. So that we are going to learn about now. For that purpose, small GA integration into bot framework. So that what cards, but cards is a general. We can use in the cards in Office 365, Outlook. You can see, so for some of the example, maybe you've seen some airplane tickets or flight rail tickets, something like that. They are, make some graphics kind of things, and they will send it. Maybe somebody will see it. Those are the cards. Okay, we learn in detail. So next one is a card can have multiple properties and attachments here. So what is mean here? Multiple properties. Let's say, for example, if you want to change the title of the card or captions, or you want to add any new control inside it, card supported controls. So you want to change font. So these are the come to multiple properties, cards, card sites and attachments. For example, if you want user upload to any images or any documents, yeah, we can use cards and get the data from the user. So those are the coming under attachment category. And finally, card support actions also, like event triggering. For example, if you want, if you click the button, cards displaying with the buttons, if the user click the button, you want to take, you want to handle that button event, that handle the action. So that will come to the actions part. So as general, just for understanding, as a general, cards is a small GUI. It has multiple properties and attachments, and it will support the actions. Card has two types. One is a team cards and another one is a adaptive cards here. First, we'll focus on the team cards. Team cards, actually cards first introducing the connectors in Office 365. So later, Microsoft start using these cards in throughout all the apps. Microsoft supported apps, they started using it. Like for example, Windows Terminal, you can use it. You can see some of the cards there, and Skype and Teams, they can start use it. And bot also, we will see the bot cards in small, next slide. Sorry, next slide. We will see that the adaptive cards is a overall, generalist format. So adaptive. Okay. So previously, there are start using different card for different apps, platform. So Microsoft start bring this new concept adaptive cards. Once this adaptive card is developed, you can use throughout any applications or any platform. Let's say, for example, if I create a own card, this card you can use it, the same card you can use it in the Outlook or bot framework or Teams, you can use it. That's what adaptive card come to the picture. We'll learn about this one little bit later. First, we'll see the bot types of cards. These are the bot supported cards. As general adaptive card also it will support. Now I am focusing on only the bot supported cards. Finally, we'll see how we implement the adaptive card into our bot application. So as you see here, there are 7 types is there: animation, audio, sign in, thumbnail, video card, everything. This each card has used in different purpose. For example, if you want to display any animation like a GIF player, if you want it, you want to use it, use the animation card. It will, this guy will play the animations. or you want to play some audio to the user, you have to use the audio card. And you want to display some images, you want to promote your brand. For example, if you user connected to your bot, you have to make some GA changes in your logo or something like that. You want to use it, that time you can go with the hero card. And a sign in card mostly used for the signing purpose. Let's say, for example, once user connected to your bot, you have to validate that authentication for the user. So that time you can use the sign in card. Next one is a thumbnail card. Thumbnail card. This card used for display the small images in the vertical order or horizontal way. This mostly used for the you know shopping cart applications. Like for example, in the pizza bot, you can see the small pizza kind of images you can display in the GUI client side. So that time you can use the thumbnail card. Video card is, yeah, if you want to display any videos, please use the video card here. So we will learn each card in upcoming video series tutorial. And finally, we will learn about the adaptive cards. Card. Thanks to all. Bye.